This is Dawn, and today we're going to make a fun fold card, but this is also a gift card holder. So let me show you how it opens up. So you're going to flip over this flap and then open it up the rest of the way, and then there's your gift card. So when they remove the gift card, there's also a message right there. Okay, so let me show you the idea where this card came from. So you might remember this one that we made, I don't know, it's been a few months now. This is the one that we made for my Glitter Queens retreat, and this was a multi-panel fold-out card. Isn't that beautiful? So this was just part of that card. So this is actually two pieces to make this card. And then this was one of the pieces that was for this card. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me give you the measurements. We're going to make a different color today. This one's using the Bermuda Bay. And we're using the Bubble and Fizz designer paper from Celebration. And I love this designer paper. It's so fun. All right, so we're going to be using the Calypso Coral. And this piece is cut at 5.5 by 11. And I'm going to score this with you. So let me give you all the measurements of the layers. So this piece is cut at 4 by 5.25. Then you're going to need two pieces. I'm cutting one with the designer paper and then one with Whisper White. And these are both cut at 2.5 by 5.25. And then I'm also using two pieces. One's going to be with Whisper White and one's with the designer paper. And these are both cut at 1 inch by 5.25. Okay, so then this layer here, let's start with the Whisper White. This piece is cut at 2 by 3.5. Then the Bermuda Bay is cut at 2.25 by 3 3/4. And then the Calypso Coral is cut at 2 3/8 by 3 7/8. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and layer these together really quick, and then we'll grab our paper trimmer. Okay, so we're going to score on the 11-inch side across the top. We're going to score at 1 1/4. And then scoot it down to 4. And then 6 3/4. Okay, so this is going to make your fun fold part of the card. So this is the card. See how it's going to open up like this? You can actually have it go vertical if you want, but I have mine going horizontal. All right, so let's move the paper trimmer. All right, so there's our Calypso Coral piece. Now we can go ahead and add our designer paper. So let me go ahead and do that. So there's the card with the designer paper. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut the gift card holder part of the fun fold card. And this is the piece that's going to go right here. So it's actually not even going to be seen until they open it up. So let me show you the items that we're going to use today. Okay, so to save some time, I went ahead and cut out the bottle and the birthday greeting. So the bottle, I used the Bubble Over stamp set. Oh, one of my top favorite stamp sets this year in the Occasions catalog. And it also has a coordinating framelit, which is the Bottles and Bubbles framelits. Go together, and you can purchase these together in a bundle and save 10%. So I use those with the bottle and then also one of the greetings on the birthday card. Okay, so I'm going to be using these framelits. This is the Lots to Love box framelits, and I'm going to be using these two framelits right here in this collection to cut out the gift card holder part of this fun fold card. And I don't know if you remember, I don't know if you've been stamping with me for very long, but there was a punch that I still get asked about, was the slit punch. And we use that so much for gift card holders, but these two little framelits are amazing. This is actually better than the slit punch because you could put these anywhere and run them through the Big Shot. So we're going to use these two right here. I'll show you a really quick tip when we get to that part with these, okay? And then this also comes in a bundle with the Sure Do Love You stamp set, and you can purchase these together and save 10%, and these are also in the brand new Occasions catalog. And then this is also the Perennial Birthday, and I'm using a few stamp sets from this. It's the Birthday Cheers All Around, and then also Wishing You the Best on Your Special Day is also going to be stamped from this stamp set. And this is also in the Occasions catalog. Okay, so first we're going to grab our Whisper White piece. Remember, this is cut at 2.5 by 5.25, and we're going to grab a pencil. Let me grab a gift card. So let's just use this one. Okay, so you're going to take your gift card and you're going to place it right where you want it on your piece of Whisper White or whatever you're using. And I'm going to draw a line along the gift card right where I want it. Hopefully that shows up really good on camera. Okay, so let me grab these framelits here. I'm going to show you a little tip. So I got these little Post-it notes, and I'm just going to stick these onto these little framelits because they're a little bit easier to hold on to like this. Grab another one. Okay, so you can see them hopefully better. Let me put them on this Whisper White piece. so you can see them. Hopefully that shows up. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the big shot. Okay, so we're going to grab our Whisper White piece. Now the Post-it notes not only serve as a purpose for me to hold them and put them where I want them, but it's also going to make them stay put where I put them on my magnetic platform. So using your pencil lines, now this is right where that gift card is sitting, right? Okay, so you're going to take your Post-it note, and I'm going to turn the curved part, the little bubble out, and I'm going to turn that inside of the pencil line. So the pencil line is going to actually be lined up with the flat line. Let me show you this up close here. So the flat line of the framelit is going to be on the opposite side of the straight line, and the bubble part is going to be on the inside of your pencil line. And we're going to take this one and do the exact same thing. Put it on this side. See, your magnetic plate likes to move, so the Post-it notes keep them in place. So let me show you this up close. Okay, so here's my pencil line right here, and also right here. So you want the bubble part to go inside the line. So the gift card is going to actually slide right between those two bubbles. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this out. Okay, so let me show you here. So we're going to take off the little Post-it notes. I'm just going to keep them framelits right on there so I don't lose them. Let me get my magnetic sheet. Just put them right back on there. Okay. And then you can remove your pencil line. Let's move the big shot. Alright, so let's bring in our gift card. We're going to do a little test run. So you're going to pop out those little cutouts, those slits. See them? The gift card is going to sit right between those. So we're going to slide it between one right here and then another one over here. Isn't that great? Look at that. It holds it perfect. Okay, so we're going to remove it. We're going to stamp a greeting, and then we're going to remove the pencil line. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so hopefully you can still see the slits there. Now we're going to go ahead and stamp our greeting. The birthday greeting I'm going to use on this piece is the wishing you the best on your special day, and it's from the Perennial Birthday. Okay, so we're going to be using the Memento ink, and I'm going to bring in the other piece of the Whisper White. Remember, this is the 1 by 5 1/4, and then this is the piece that we punched out with the framelits. So what's nice is we're going to stamp a greeting between the little holder for the gift card. So when the gift card is removed, the greeting will be in the center of this panel right here. Thought that was a cute idea. Okay, so we'll stamp this. Hopefully this will be straight. Pretty good. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and stamp the May Your Day Bubble Over with Happiness on the 1-inch piece. There. Okay, looks good. So now we're going to go ahead and grab the card. Okay, so now it's just a matter of layering our pieces into the card, but first we're going to take our gift card, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in first before I layer it into the card. Okay, so put your gift card in, and then you can layer it into the card like that. And then this piece is going to go up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and adhere these pieces. Right there. Okay, then we're going to put our little layer on the front, and you're going to put a strip of adhesive at the very top. Okay, now one trick adding your bottle is I'm going to put this on dimensionals, of course, but then I'm going to kind of tilt it so the straw doesn't hang over the card, so it fits into a regular size envelope. So I'm just going to kind of tilt it like that, and then we're going to take the birthday greeting, just put adhesive on the one side, and then this is going to slide underneath the bottle just like that. So birthday cheers all around. So then one more thing, we're going to add the glitter and clear epoxy shapes, and of course I'm going to use the glitter. So we're going to put a few bubbles here and then also on the inside. Isn't that cute? So then it just closes up like that. Such a cute little gift card, and it's a fun fold. So let me show you the other one. So here's the Bermuda Bay one, and you can see that the gift card removed, it's still so cute. Okay, so there's the fun fold. And then I also added some Dazzling Diamonds with the fine tip glue pen along the top. So cute. And then one more thing I want to show you with the framelits for the bottle. Okay, so this is the bottle and bubbles framelits. And you're going to notice there's two different size bottles, and then there's two different sizes for your layers, and then also two straws. Now the two different straws, one goes one way and then the other one goes the other way. So what I mean by this is one straw goes off to the left and then the other straw goes off to the right. Okay. All right. So I have all the items listed below, and then also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.